Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is HP LaserJet Pro MFP3102FDWE. This is a high performance printing gear, high productivity gear. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 4-in-1, in the sense you can copy, scan, and print and fast with this printer. This printer is with ADF, automatic document printer. This printer, you can use this printer, can be used for up to 1 to 7 people. It's for small and medium-sized businesses that need daily printing for 1 to 7 people, okay, users. This printer is using ink toner 139. This printer is also with Wolf Proactive Security. This printer, you can print two-sided, likewise scan with this printer, okay. And in terms of the printing speed, 33 prints per minute. This printer you got 3 months of instant ink and additional 1 year warranty with this printer using HP Plus. You require HP instant ink registration. You need to set this up within 7 days of setting up this printer. And after that, so after the 3 months of ink, okay, monthly fee will apply. Okay, so this printer, I'm going to show you how to set this up. And at the back here, this is the power cable goes here. This port is for USB cable. This printer is dual band. You can connect it to Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct, and also using self-link USB cable. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. We have the cable at Vinetech store, free delivery here in UK. The cable goes here, but unfortunately, cable is not included in the packaging. They expect you to connect this printer using Wi-Fi network or via Wi-Fi direct. If you have any paper jam, open up this section for any paper jam and debris and gently remove it. This spot here is for Ethernet cable, okay. And so this is the US automatic document feeder, okay, ADF. And this is the scanner, flat belt scanner for this printer. And this is the LCD screen. And the toner is using 139. So this is the toner. To install the toner, you just need to if you buy the new one, you need to pull off stuff from it. But this one already, there's nothing to put on this one, so you just need to go in straight, okay, to be able to use the toner straight in. Okay, so this is the toner 139 is what it's using. But if you, like I said earlier, if you purchase a new one, you need to pull out the string that usually hold it, okay. So pull it out, but this one, nothing to pull out already, so it's already set for you to use this. So you just need to go in, okay, in case if you purchase a new one. This printer serial number is inside here, in case, and also the pin, in case when you want to connect this printer, sometimes they will ask you to put printer pin number, okay, during registration or setting up the printer Wi-Fi, ask you to put the pin number. So open up this section and the pin number is here in case if you are wondering where it is, okay. And this printer, you switch this printer on and off from here, okay. So this is the on and off button, and this is the casket for you to load paper. So you can load various sizes of paper here, okay. So you can load various sizes of paper. And this printer now, okay, so switch this printer on. So this is the on button, and it's on now. So we just need to wait. Okay, so I have papers here. I want to show you how to load the paper. So now this printer is switched on. We just wait for it to be ready. This printer, you need to connect this printer using HP Smart app, and this printer is also compatible with Windows Apple AirPrint, Mopria, Apple iBeacon. So you get the software from Microsoft or from Google Play Store. Okay, now this printer is ready, so we need to select the language. So what you gotta do is select your language. So it's English. Okay, and you have selected English as language. Click confirm. So use touch screen. Okay, now select your country. Okay, scroll up and down in terms of your country. So in United Kingdom, select UK. Okay, now so this is exactly how to set this printer up. Okay, and in terms of connecting it to Wi-Fi network, the next is you can select network method, Ethernet cable, or connect with software. Okay, so in terms of to load the paper, just open it up. Okay, so this is the paper casket. I'm going to show you how to load various sizes of paper. This is photo paper we have here. Okay, to load photo paper, what you need to do is this. So put it this way. Okay, okay, so with the shiny bit facing down, and the next you need to do is bring this side, okay, to the side, bring it this way, and also okay, so this is how to load. This is 4x6. Okay, this is how to load 4x6. The same thing is applicable. So this is how to load photo paper 4x6 we have here. Now if you want to load 5x7, the same thing, just need to remove the paper. Okay, this is the question. I do receive question, people ask how do you load other paper. So I have, this is 5x7. Okay, so what you need to do is, okay, so this is the 5x7. The same thing is applicable. Okay, so this is 5x7 photo paper. Okay, so the glossy side stay at the back, and this, so that when it goes in, the image will be in the front. So it goes in this way in the printer, and your image will be on this shiny glossy section. Okay, now the other thing I want to show you is we need to load A4 paper. This casket, you can also extend this casket, so you can extend it. Okay, now so we want to load A4 paper. Okay, to load A4 paper, so you can load up to 250 sheets of paper here. Okay, so this A4 paper. Okay, so this A4 paper. Okay, now we'll go in. Okay, so now, and they recognize the paper. So this is how to load the paper. Okay, if you're happy with this, just gonna put this back. So I do receive question about how to load specific paper. So now we have loaded A4 paper, and also I've shown you how to put other photo papers as well. Okay, if you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. So this is how to load the paper, and also how to load the toner. Okay, so like I said, this printer is using ink toner 139. Thank you very much indeed. Please like, share, and subscribe. Check out my next video, how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. Thank you, and stay blessed. Thank you.